Hello everyone, my name is Shoram and welcome to my 38th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about some attributes or properties of form elements. So let's begin. For this we have considered two input fields. Now let's see first the value attribute. Okay, here we already discussed in our last tutorial about the value attribute. We are discussing it again here. We have kept the value attribute equal to blank here. However, you can input any name here. Okay, say we input John here, and for last name we input here Smith. Now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here by default the first name and last name comes here. However, you can simply delete it and type whatever name you want. Okay, that's how it is. Next we will discuss about the size attribute of any input fields. To do that, what we need to do? Let's see. Now to add some size to our input fields, what we need to do? We simply need to type here size, then equal to, then within double quotes we specify the length of the input field. Okay, similarly we add the same size here also. Now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here the size of the input fields has increased in length. So this is the utility of size attribute. Okay, next we are going to discuss about max length property. So how to define max length property? We simply write max length here, then equal to, then within double quote we specify how many characters we want to allow to input in this text field. We keep this blank here. We don't add any max length property to the second field here. Now let's see the difference in our browser. Save it and check in our browser. You can see here whenever we type, after 10 characters it stops right here. However, if we write any text here, you can keep go on writing and writing without any problem, even if it goes beyond the text field. So this is the difference of max input. Okay, so what we learned today? We learned today about the value attribute of input field. We learned about the size attribute of input field, which allows us to define the length of input field, and we learned about the max length property of input field, which allows us to bind the users to enter specific number of characters in the input field. So that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.